In this video, we're going to look at these problems on page 11 of the 5.4 slides. Our first problem just asks us to find the sum of the first 6 terms of the following geometric progression: 3, 6, 12, 24. And we're going to use this formula S sub n equals either a times 1 minus r to the nth power over 1 minus r if r is not equal to 1, and it's n times a if r is equal to 1. It's generally too easy if r equals to 1. We'll rarely see anything like that. So, my camera got turned off. There we go. That's not really in focus, is it? Let's see if I can make that better. That's better. Good. Okay, so we want to find the first 6 terms of this geometric progression: 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on, or the sum of these terms. Well, clearly, a equals 3 and r equals 2, since each of these terms is twice the previous one. And n is 6. So S sub 6 is equal to 3 times 1 minus r to the n. So that's 2 to the 6th power over 1 minus 2 to the 6th power. It's 1 minus r, not 1 minus 2. Okay, well, I find it weird that they use a 1 minus r to the n and 1 minus r form here, but that's what they do. So anyway, 3 times 1 minus 2 to the 6th power, that's 1 minus 64, over 1 minus 2, gives us 3 times negative 63 over negative 1, which is the same as 3 times 63, which is going to be 189. In the next problem, sorry about that, Michelson Land Development Company had sales of $1 million in its first year of operation. If sales increased by 10% per year thereafter, we find Michelson's sales in the 5th year and its total sales over the first 5 years of operation. Okay. So in this problem, A is 1 million. R is 1.1. That's 1 plus 10%. And n equals 5. So we use our formula S5. First, we want to find A5. We're asked to find its sales in the 5th year. So that's A5 equals, and for this one, we used the formula. Sorry, I've got the. There we go. A sub 5 equals A plus n minus 1 times D. I'm sorry, that's totally the wrong formula. Heck, sorry about that. Where is it? Here. Yes. No. Where is everything? Everything is going everywhere. I'm sorry. I would restart this video, except for the fact that I've already... Okay, I'm just going to grab that formula from the previous page. We are going to need... Here it is. A sub n equals AR to the n minus 1. So in this case, we want A5 equals 1 million times 1.1 to the 5 minus 1 equals 1 million times 1.1 to the 4th power. Plugging that into a calculator, we will get 1,464,100. Then we want to use our SN formula with the same numbers. SN equals A times 1 minus R to the N. And I'm just going to observe that you could do this with N R to the N minus 1 and R minus 1, and you would get exactly the same value. Okay, so that's going to be 1 million times 1 minus 1.1 to the 5th power over 1 minus 1.1. Okay, so that is going to be 1 million times negative 0.61051 over negative 0.1. Making sure this isn't the page. There we go. We're good. Okay, so that's going to give us negative 610,510 divided by negative 0.1, which is the same as just taking 610,510 and multiplying it by 10. So that's 6,105,100. Those are their, so this is their sales in the 5th year, and that's their cumulative sales after 5 years. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and sorry about the issues in the middle of that video.